Alright guys, so today I have for you this brand new, it's a 12 volt battery basically. It's like a portable battery that you can use to power not most, but a lot of your accessories. As you can see right here, you have the on button, you have a USB port, and then you have I believe it's a 12 volt, or I might be wrong, it might be a 5 volt. It's a 5 volt. A 5 volt input right there, as you can see. It comes with a wire, it comes with a cable. You can power something that uses a 5 volt plug basically. It'll power it. Let me see if you can show you the detail. You can see right there, DC input, USB on and off. When you turn it on, you see a red LED letting you know that it's on. Turn it off, it turns white. So you can see the back. DC 5 volts to 12 volts. Okay. It comes with a charger. Plug it into the wall. You plug it into the 5 volt port, and then it'll charge it. You could power up a bunch of accessories. The main reason why I bought it was because I can actually power my Lilliput field monitor. And so the battery that the Lilliput has right now, on a full charge, it'll probably last me, I would say, 2 to 3 hours. And let's say if I'm shooting something and I need extra power, I could use this bad boy right here. I'm going to show you the comparison in size with the iPhone. It's pretty much almost the same exact size in width. The iPhone's a little taller, and obviously it's thicker. It's about two iPhones put together. It's really small. Really, it's not even. I want to say it's just as heavy as the iPhone. What else? Let me demonstrate what I can charge. I have this port right here, the 30-pin Apple port. I can charge my iPhone. Turn it on, it'll charge my iPhone. As you can see, it's charging. Turn it off. Also, if you've seen my previous reviews, I reviewed the TikTok wristwatch. It's basically the iPod Nano 6th generation turned into a wristwatch. You can also charge that. Turn that on. It'll start charging my my watch. And honestly, if you have anything else, if you have any iPods, it'll power an iPad, both iPad 1 and iPod 2. What else? Anything that's pretty much powered by a USB port, you can charge. You could actually charge an external battery with the portable battery. I have this right here for my iPhone. It also works for iPod Touches. And as you can see, if I turn it on, I don't know if you can notice the little red light that's right there. It charges it right there, you see? So if I turn this off, it'll turn it off. What else? What else can I demonstrate? Like I was saying in the beginning of the video, I have this. It charges. It's for a 5 volt input. So if I plug this in, I'm actually going to demonstrate on the field monitor that I'm using right now. I'll bring it over here. You can see. You can see what I'm seeing. If you look at the back of the monitor, it's plugged into the wall right now because it's actually charging. 1 second, let's see, there you go. I unplug that, and I can go ahead and plug the portable battery and it'll charge it. It still works, as you can see. So as you can see, I'm thinking about putting some Velcro on the back of here and then attaching it to the back here. So it'll look like that. This battery right here, it cost me about $20. And I want to say it took exactly 2 weeks to actually be delivered from Hong Kong to Jersey, where I am at now. So 2 weeks for $20, honestly, you can't beat that with free shipping. I'm not sure, they might have expedite shipping. You might have to contact the seller if you need it to be expedited. I don't know how long it actually lasts, but it just looks like, I mean, all the devices that I have, if I can charge it with this as an external, like have it as a backup battery, it'll be awesome. How many times have you been out and your phone dies, or your phone's running low on battery? Especially now, these smartphones and the iPhones, they run on a lot of juice. I have this backup battery right here, but this backup battery doesn't even charge a full. Like if my iPhone was dead, this wouldn't charge it 100%. It might charge it maybe 50, maybe 60%, which is still helpful. And as you can see, it's very portable. But to have this and to be able to use multiple, maybe be able to charge multiple accessories, I think it's pretty good. What else? I think that's pretty much it, guys. It wraps it up. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy this last video. It's just a little quick demonstration review on the portable 12-volt battery from China. You can't beat the price. It's $20. Leave any questions, comments, or concerns on the bottom of the comment section below. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.